Hello, welcome back to AQR. So we're just getting back after spring break. This is the start of the fourth 9 weeks, and it's also the start of a new unit. In this case, it is our statistics unit. So, statistics in the beginning. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at is the research cycle. So, basically, you start with some kind of a question that you want answered, like, I don't know, it's early. I don't know. You have a question, you want to answer it, right? Okay. What flavor ice cream do most people prefer? Whatever your question might be, you start with a question. Usually you have like a hypothesis for that, right? Like sciencey and stuff. So you start with your question. The next thing you have to do is you have to design some kind of a study. Like you're going to look at it and you want to gather data, but you have to decide how you're going to go about doing that. That's in this design part. After that, you're going to go out and collect your data. And then once you have it collected, you're going to analyze it. After that, you're going to put it together and compile all your findings, and you might put it in like a written report. You might put it on a website. You might discuss it amongst your peers. I don't know. You're going to report it somehow. And then notice this goes back to question. Yes. Okay. There we go. 87% of statistics are made up on this spot. Fun fact. Okay. The first thing we're going to start with for this unit is we need to go over some vocabulary. And there are going to be other vocabulary words later on, but this is what we're starting with. So as part of the assignment this week, you're going to have to define these, and don't worry about memorizing them. They're going to be in the assignment too. So hypothesis. Then you have these two things, alternate hypothesis and null hypothesis. So you'll have to look those up. Population, sample, control group, placebo effect, treatment, and variable interest. Note, these words mean different things when you're dealing with statistics. So population doesn't just mean people. Sample doesn't mean like what you get at Costco or Sam's during lunchtime when it's not pandemic. Yeah, these have specific meanings for statistics. So when you're looking these up, when you're going online and looking at these, don't just grab the first definition that Google gives you, because it might not be the right definition. But yeah, so this is going to be our statistics unit. The first thing you're going to need to do is define this vocabulary stuff. You're also going to be looking at the research cycle on this first assignment. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, this is just kind of an intro.